Kulturstopp. Du känner dig som en vikingahövding.
Det är jättebra.
Viking chief.
Ja, på här så är det tydligt att något är förstört på den sidan. Här stoppar ju skrift. Quite amazing to see this, and thank you for bringing me along to this historical place.
Yeah, it's pretty cool, that rökstenen. And you out there, you have to Google it. Rökstenen. It's a pretty remarkable runestone.
Ja.
Du är som gott i gris, Thomas. Varför hamnar vi alltid på såna här ställen då?
Och så kan jag få en namn.
Det är ditt fel.
Du lockar mig in.
Filled up with energy. Right, so me and Tjommi, Thomas Hansen, we are at the Huskvarna Museum. How do you pronounce this?
Huskvarna.
Oh, that was pretty good. For you, my Australian friend, DKW 125, we say Huskvarna, and for your friends down there, down under. Here is where it all started. Huskvarna. From 1689.
Husqvarna, doesn't it?
Huskvarna.
Yep.
You know, the Yanks used to say husky or something like that. And here it started. This is the old blacksmith. And they had, of course, hydropower. That's why it started here. Here is where it all begins, with weapons to the army. From kitchen equipment, chainsaws. Ah, look at this beauty. No? 400 cc. Om man inte kan hålla händerna måste man släppa. The first motorcycle. Have produced bicycles since 1896, and then 1903 the first motorcycle. How cool is this? Side valve engine. 1927. Oh, how cool is this? And racing. Huskvarna Racer Grand Prix winner. Wow. Ha. Ragge Sundqvist, 1935, won Germany's Grand Prix. Oh, how cool is this? All right, the DKW 125. Finally we are here at the Huskvarna Museum and in the most interesting part of it for us, the motorcycles, and especially when we come to this generation and era of motorcycles. Such a beauties. And then they have the Army model, the 258. That's actually still very popular to get here in Sweden with an automatic transmission. Very awkward. And you also had skis for these. I think they are mounted. You see here, of course, detachable. I have many friends that have actually tested to ride this enduro with the skis. I have already tried it summertime without the skis, and never wintertime. And here, as you can see, the skis retracted. And of course, you see Trelleborg tires. Today, Mitas tires. How cool is this? And now we are into the 80s. The 510. Modern looking. Somewhat.
Still the Swedish look is kind of pronounced. You see the blue and yellow going through the whole. Take a look at the picture behind.
Yeah.
Look at the guy taking a picture in the background there.
This is awesome. And here you see also crater, how it was packed, and it's a 430 in there. I wonder if that one has been unpacked, or if it has been like that.
Yeah, it's never taken out of the box.
That should be cool if that was the case. Mm-hmm. Okay, so what we see on the picture is actually the last Swedish manufactured Husqvarna motorcycle. And then it is assembled by Lars-Erik Svensson, 1987. Ah, that's some history. You see, World Championship, that picture, Torsten Hallman. World champion in 62, 63, 66 and 67. Look at that angle, that's aggressive. A little bit more aggressive than our ad riding, I would say. Ah, that's cool. Here we have mopeds. 50cc. Yeah, actually 40 on that one. And then we have the 50cc mopeds, engines and models. And that novelette, that's a real classic. Looks like a bicycle. My grandmother had a novelette. Yeah.
The robotic solo mower.
That's also cool.
Solar mower. It's actually a solar panel. Already in 1995.
Yeah, that's impressive.
Yeah.
Today all of us have this robotics in the garden doing the work, so we could be out riding.
No, that's not true. I have an Africa twin.
Ah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Either you have a Husqvarna or a steel. That's popular. Of course, my grandfather used the Husqvarnas. We had some of them in the shed. Yeah, I just love these motorcycles. It's a 250, 1972. And this is a 450 engine for the motocross models. And here we have the famous Silverpilen. Many of you Swedish guys out there definitely know this one, Silverpilen. Probably your grandfather had one, or you have someone today that want one because they are very popular. 175cc, lightweight motorcycle. Very popular even today to get the hands on. Drömbågen. Oh, this is cool. And the Rödkvarnan, very, very common. 118cc.
Look at this. The visor.
Yeah. It stops the wind from the face. I have actually tried it and it works superb.
It does?
Yeah, it does. Even when it's cold outside. So in the army, they use it in winter time.
I don't understand. How could it...
It just stops the air, so you get like a pocket in your face.
Okay, so it's kind of, yeah. I understand.
Aerodynamics. There is the one my grandmother had, with those wings on for wind protection. But it was in that color. The Novolette. How cool is that? This is some husky porn, isn't it? Huh? Look at all this. Bet you like these ones. All of you know these ones. When you start looking at enduro on television or was on enduro races. Håkan Karla Karlqvist, 1979. Håkan Karla Karlqvist world champion bike. How cool is this? 250cc, 1979. Huh? Dakar bike, Huskvarna Dakar bike. So cool. 1982 250, 2-stroke. And this is a prototype. Upside down. This is crazy. What do you say? What do you say, my Australian friend? Was this what you expected? How cool is this? Bet you want to see and read on all of them. What a collection. Racers. Speedway. Oh, look at that. Like a sidecar racer. Look at that engine. 2-cylinder, 500cc, 2-stroke. What? That was a cool visit.
Yeah.
It's
Look at in the background.
yeah, we see all the factory. And we learned that there is like 2,500 employees still here in Huskvarna. And then they are present all over the world with employees and factories.
Yeah,
So nice.
It was quite amazing to see the map of the how many, how to say, dottersällskap, straight
Yeah, how
companies
many factories
around,
around the world. It's impressive to see how much stuff they have produced over the years. Especially to like fill up Swedish homes and probably other countries' homes as well with products for everything you need in your daily, so to speak, your daily life. That's amazing.
Yeah, it's quite unique. It's the same with the IKEA. You kind of have it's kind of like the Swedish mentality behind it. How you could fill up the complete household with Swedish produced products.
Yeah.
So it's
amazing.
Yeah.
Joe.
Hey, yo. What a spot.
Wow. Very perfect. So you're doing the laundry before the first beer or drink?
Well, stink out the whole bush.
No JD Coke before washing.
Oh yeah.
That was tough. But I'm so worth it. So I will not wait for you. Cheers to you up there. What a day. And what a spot to camp at compared to yesterday. We were in a small village football training area. Helt otroligt. Men de hade inte mycket annat att göra.
Nej, inte tid då. De har ju stora lager där, så det är så mycket grejer. Jag tänker på uppgradera. Ska jag ta brodera och pröva lite nytt. Alla ska gå för tur. De har fått 10 000 ljus där.
Och sitta hemma och planera för äventyret. Jäklars vad gott vi har det, Tjommi.
Ja.
Fasen vilken härlig kväll och vilken utsikt. It's nice with a neighbor over here that are making stinks.
I'm not making stinks.
Yes, you do. And then you have just learned that when you're coming home, you're going to tell that we take that in Swedish. Det jag inte kan hålla i händerna måste jag släppa. I won't develop this here on the video in this forum, so you have to guess. But we have göj this evening. Wonderful.
Oh.
I don't know if you can see my neighbor over there. It's too dark, I think.
Vad fan med den bästa nabon du har haft i mans minne?
Ja, det kan man säga.
Ja, det kan man säga.
Tjommi.
Tjommi.
Ja, wild camp in Sweden when it is as best. Just on the trails. Hur är det, Rob?
Ja, det är fint.
En dag på jobbet?
Ja, en dag på jobbet.
Hinner du med 15 minuter eller?
Ja, jag ska in i ett möte om 7 minuter, men det tar en 10 minuter, en kvart bara. Så häng här och drick lite kaffe.
Ja.
Bra tur. Fantastisk idag va? Det har varit uppskattade väldigt. Det var riktigt.
Ja, äntligen. Det har varit jävligt roligt. Coolt.
It's been a really nice day.